Having a tantrum. Good girl.
Is that Mam Gee? Where's Mam Gee? Where's Mam Gee, Chloe?
Oh, you like handbags as
Oh,
well,
look at you and your handbag. Wow. A lady about town, look. See, you're going to have to do some shopping.
It's a good girl. She's putting the handbag back now.
Do you know about that?
Oh,
Stairs. Stairs, yeah.
Mama.
Mama's having a shower. She'll be down in a second. Stairs. Stairs. No, we don't climb them. No. Good girl.
come and see Mam Gee's handbag. Come and see Mam Gee's handbag.
Oh, has Mam Gee got a handbag? Do you want to go and compare handbags with Mam Gee? Let's go.
Mam Gee's handbag. Yeah.
Oh, off you go. Off you go. Off you go. Back again. Oh, that's from Bloomingdale's.
And you've got the, oh, I'm sure your grandma would love to see you with a little brown bag holding that.
Off to Bloomingdale's.
Yes.
It's exhausting.
Chloe.
You're going to bring Mam Gee's bag back? Let's go and bring Mam Gee's bag back. Come on. Come on. No?
No.
No, okay.
Mama. Mama.
Mama's having a shower. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're going to Mam Gee's bag. Chloe.